Hi, I'm Leonard James D. Postrado. Today, we will be evaluating the program Angat Lahat, also referred to as LIFT-PH. This strategic plan is centered on empowering Filipino workforce and fostering sustainable economic growth. Designed to tackle the persistent challenges of unemployment and underemployment in the Philippines, Angat Lahat aims to equip individuals with relevant skills, promote inclusive economic development, and attract investments to uplift communities. Using the evaluation framework we developed in our FMA2, covering elements such as personal, accessibility, normative, identity relevant, and connected, I will critically assess how the project aligns with the principles of social mobilization and effective communication strategies. Our goal is to understand the project's strengths, uncover areas for enhancement, and reflect on its potential to make a lasting impact. Let's begin with the personal element of the Angat Lahat campaign. This program emphasizes personalized engagement by directly involving stakeholders such as job seekers, underemployed groups, and communities. Specific activities like town halls, barangay programs, and career fairs allow for meaningful face-to-face interactions. The program avoids generic approaches by tailoring its strategies to the unique needs of its beneficiaries, ensuring that participants feel valued and included in the initiatives. This focus on personal engagement strengthens trust and encourages active participation. Now, let's discuss the accessibility element of the campaign. The program ensures visibility and transparency by employing socially observable actions such as public advocacy campaigns, skill certification programs, and community-based initiatives like the PESO platform. With the integration of both traditional media such as TV and radio and digital channels like social media, the campaign ensures that its efforts are accessible to a diverse audience. By making participation visible, it encourages accountability and broader engagement. Now let's explore the normative aspect of the campaign. The Angat Lahat program integrates shared values such as inclusivity, economic empowerment, and workforce development. Collaborations with organizations like TESDA, DOLE, and private sector businesses highlight goodwill gestures and foster cooperation among diverse stakeholders. These partnerships align with societal norms of collective progress, promoting widespread support for the campaign and strengthening its credibility within the community. The fourth element is identity relevant. This campaign effectively connects desired behaviors, such as upskilling and reskilling, to positive identity traits. By framing these actions as pathways to personal growth, professional success, and contributions to national productivity, participants are encouraged to see themselves as agents of positive change. The campaign's messaging highlights pride in employment and continuous improvement, fostering alignment with participants' values and aspirations. Lastly, let's discuss the connected element. The Angat Lahat campaign leverages social networks and partnerships to amplify its reach. Through collaborations with government agencies, private businesses, and community organizations, the program taps into existing connections to encourage broader participation. Additionally, digital platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn, along with initiatives such as investment forums, further enhance visibility and create spillover effects. This interconnected approach ensures the campaign's message reaches a wide audience. The Angat Lahat initiative addresses persistent unemployment and underemployment in the Philippines, focusing on upskilling, reskilling, and fostering investments to achieve inclusive economic growth. Its alignment with SDG 8 highlights its commitment to promoting decent work and sustainable development. The program features a well-structured strategies, including partnerships with government agencies, private sectors, and community organizations, alongside tailored messaging and outreach channels for diverse stakeholders. Thank you for watching my evaluation.